Terence. Very good. People think gold is very important.
Even more important than bubbles. Much more important, Terence. Ooh.
When's the train leaving? I want to make the train sound. Chuff, chuff, arr, arr, chuff, chuff.
Good whistle, Winona.
Hey, Amelia! Are you going to ride in our train?
No thanks. I'll stick to flying.
Okay, I'll drive.
But I wanted to drive, Tub.
I'll start the engine, shall I?
That looks like fun. Can I stoke?
You just said you were driving. Stoking is Terence's job.
But I can stoke and drive.
Okay.
Chuff, chuff, arr, arr, chuff, chuff. Hey, chuffing is my job. Arr, arr, arr.
Tub, what are you doing? You can't drive, stoke, chuff and whistle.
I can.
No, you can't.
Can. If only this were a real train. I'd show you I could do everything. Hey, this is a real train.
It stopped. It stopped. Why did it stop? Hey, you want this? Here, what's in here? How about this one? I don't know why it stopped. We need to get you a new show. Whoops. Whoops. Whoa. That was a good one.
So that means
It's
I'm
back.
a real train driver. Amen. I can do everything. I can blow the whistle. I can stoke. And there's loads of chuffing. This is swimming.
Excuse me, Mr. Train Driver. You look very busy. Can I help?
No, thank you, madam. You're a passenger. You just enjoy the ride. I'm a passenger too. But I could blow the whistle if you want. No. Thank you very much, sir. But I've got it all under control. I don't need any help at all, thank you.
Oh.
This train is a very special one. It's carrying
You don't think that one's that good, huh?
gold.
You're not like
Gold?
that.
Yes, real gold. So I have to be in charge.
Well, if you're sure.
Look, train robbers. They must be after your gold.
Huh?
Where?
Is that one not that good?
Where the mighty train robbers? Yes, where you come for the gold?
See, I told you. Hey, hot, isn't it? Hey,
Dear. Excuse me, would you mind holding this?
Okay.
Now
Now
what?
you want the
here,
cartoon?
let me help. How's this?
Perfect, thank you very much.
Nice work, terrifying Terence.
Hey, wait a minute. You can't do this.
We already have. Now, let's get the gold. Oh,
Hey, hold on.
we don't have to listen to you. You're our prisoner.
Oh, but I want to be a robber.
Me. So do I.
Really?
Yeah. Being robbers looks like much more fun than being passengers.
You're right. It's so much fun.
And anyway, train driver Tough doesn't need us.
He can do everything.
So, you want to join the most mighty robbers in the whole wide world?
Oh, yes, please.
Well, come on then.
To the gold!
To the gold. Yeah, well, you won't get away with this.
Oh no! That's the one that
that controls how fast this train is going. Oh, the train's going faster and faster. Ah, it's a runaway train!
Oh no! It's a runaway train! We've got to stop it!
Untie me! I'm the only one who can save the train. Ah, right. If I can just...
Are you not into your cartoon? Are you not into your cartoon? Huh? No. The only one I want to talk to you. Huh? Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you that girl? Oh. Well, you're just full of it today. Just full of it today. Ah. Just full of it today. Hey, you. Huh? What's going on? Are you just my baby girl? Are you my baby girl? Hey, 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 you get over here. You get over here. Hey. What are you doing? Really? Are you in a daze? Are you in a daze? Really? What was that? Hi. 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 Hey, you. How about your sing-a-jig?
Kisses. Kisses. Mwah. Kisses. Mwah.
Are you getting tired of sitting up? Yeah. Are you getting tired of sitting up? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? There's your baby Einstein. You love baby Einstein. Are you a baby Einstein?
For more information about our developmental products for babies and toddlers, visit babyeinstein.com. Enjoy the show.
What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Runaway hair. Runaway hair. Ha! Got runaway hair.
Uh-huh.
What are you doing? Head, shoulders, knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Mwah! Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
Eyes.
Los ojos. Les yeux.
Eyes. ears.
Las orejas.
Uh-huh.
Les oreilles.
Ears. Hi, baby.
So hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Hey, you. Hey. What are you doing, pretty girl? Am I in your way? You can't see your show. Okay. Bye, Grandma and Grandpa. Kisses.